Hello! Welcome to the unseen. That's right. Today we're doing one of our personal favorites. We surely eat this every single day here, throughout the day, multiple times. We have seaweed. Yeah, it's also called kim in Korean. Yeah, we eat the seaweed. Now, you can wrap this up and make sushi rolls. You can make kimbap rolls with this. And we just straight up eat it as it is. In fact, you guys want some? Why don't you guys go ahead and make a little kim? Yeah, we go to town on this. Let me tell you guys. That's a big one. That's right. I love this myself. It's crunchy. It's salty. Who doesn't like it? We sure do. So we're going to take a look at this today. And hey, you know what? Let's begin our journey now. 5X, here we come. Whoa, what's that? Look at that kim.
Looks like a leaf.
It looks like a leaf. It sure does look like a leaf. In some ways, it actually is a leaf, but it's an underwater leaf because this is an underwater plant.
Let's just crush it!
That's right. You know what's also cool and watery? The subscribe and like button. So why don't you guys go ahead and please crush it? Yes, all of these little containers of kim come with, of course, one of these salty things. You're not supposed to eat these, but they keep it nice and dry because otherwise the temperature makes it moist and then they get soggy. Yeah, so these are... He really wants you guys to subscribe, so please make sure to crush that subscribe and like button. So this is the 5X.
Yeah.
That looks really sick. You said it looks like a leaf? Wow, it does look like a leaf. Let's go a little bit closer because I want to see more details on this one. Whoa, what does that look like to you?
Snake skin!
Like snake skin, he says. You're actually kind of right. It does resemble snake skin. Snake skin has scales and they slither. Now, this is not an animal. This is just an underwater plant. That's right. The snake hiss is like that. Hey, that's actually pretty good. Yeah, acting.
Let's subscribe!
If you guys don't subscribe now, you're gonna make these poor critters really sad. But I know you guys will. So thank you so much for your support. So there is 10X now. These guys are continuing to munch on them, and I think we need to go even closer because this one is going to bring out even more detail. Let's go to 20X now.
Yeah.
Whoa, there's 20X. What do you think about that?
Looks like a sticky planet.
Like a sticky planet, yeah. It's full of little dots. Now, I know they put salt on this. This is...
Pussy!
Thanks. Yeah, go ahead. We're eating it. Yeah, it has got these little dots, which were some part of the texture of that seaweed plant when it was in the water. Perhaps that's where the oxygen came out. You never know. Maybe part of the different cell structures within the plant. Very interesting.
This team is getting too hard.
It's getting too hard. It's nice and crunchy. We like it like that. Yeah, when it gets soft and soggy, then it's okay.
Don't eat.
Yeah, we don't eat this.
No, don't eat that.
Yeah, we don't eat that. That keeps it nice and crunchy. Otherwise, it gets moist and soggy. We don't like it. What do you think about that? Good, he says. Does it remind you of anything else?
Yes.
What does it look like to you?
A garbage truck.
It looks like a garbage truck, he says. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Who knows?
Maybe it does.
Maybe
it does.
Hey, you imitate me. What does it look like to you at this final, really close-up level?
Fog planet.
Like a fog planet? Hey, yeah, you're right. Maybe like a hazy cloud.
More.
Oh my gosh, these guys are gonna destroy all of the kim. And that's okay. It's good for you, folks. So there you are. What did you think of the seaweed that we explored today?
Goodbye.
Good. Yeah, this is delicious and interesting to look at. Thank you again for joining us, joining our little critters here. Join us next time as we continue to travel and explore the unseen universe.